Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I will teach you how to fix your Roblox if it's crashing. So you need to watch this video until the end and you need to follow my steps. First of all, guys, you need to open the start menu and you need to search for Roblox player. Right click on it and open the file location folder. When you open this folder, right click on Roblox player, go to properties, go to compatibility settings, and you need to tick run this program in compatibility mode and choose Windows 7. And also you need to put the tick here, run this program as an administrator. So when you will do it, then you need to click this button, run compatibility troubleshooter. So this will help you to detect the problem, and to fix it, you need to click try recommended settings. Then you need to click the button test the program and click yes. So it will automatically reinstall the Roblox in your PC or laptop, and it will fix your Roblox game. Click OK, click next. There are three options. You need to click the first one, yes, save these settings for this program. Okay guys, when you see this green tick here, you can close the troubleshooter, click apply button and click OK. So I think that this method will help you with your problem. If it's helpful, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video. Don't forget to click the like buttons.